YouTube, what is up? Welcome back to another video, and today I got a special video for y'all. I'm going to be unboxing not one but two pairs of the Thunder 4s. So make sure y'all stay tuned because I will be comparing these two Thunders to each other. Let's get straight into it. For the first 4s, these are from 2006, so these shoes are as old as me, which is crazy to say, but yeah. These, as you can see, there's a picture of them. Hold up, let me get my face up the camera so it can focus. All right, there you go, right there. Hey, these are clean. I've been waiting so long for these shoes to retro, bro, because like I can't wear these because they from 2006. They as old as me. So like, if I put them on my feet, bro, the sole is gone. Everything's gone. The wing gone, the back tab's gone. So let me show y'all the condition that these shoes are in because they are not, they definitely have seen better days. Let me just say that. Oh my goodness. That's the first thing you can see right there is that the wings, look at that. This one right here, gone. Look, not even there. Not there at all. But we still have this part right here on there. We still got the lace part on there. And then on the other side, as you can see, oh my goodness, it's like starting to crack. I bet if I like bend this out, it's gonna come out, so I'm not gonna do that. But yeah, it's just, then the Jumpman on the back, like this shoe has definitely seen better days. Also keep in mind the tongue on this one, see how thin it is. I'm gonna show you the difference once I open up the 2023 release. I thought about wearing it. Good thing I did it. Good thing I just waited like 6 months, cause I don't know what would happen if I would have worn these shoes. Look, I feel like these have been worn like once or twice maybe. Nothing like, no crazy wear out of them, so probably once or twice, and they're still in this condition. Let me zoom in so everybody can see. As you can see right there, let me hold it out. The paint is starting to crack, as you can tell, and also the air bubble, air unit right there is cloudy. And then let me just give you a little quick little 360. This shoe is definitely starting to crack, as you can see. All those cracks right there, so definitely got to be careful and definitely cannot wear these shoes because if you wear them, the paint is gonna come off. Put them back in the box and let them rest in peace. But ooh, this lighting is hidden right now. But see here, like the little remainders that fell off. There's that one right there, and then here's like part of the wing that fell off. The other shoe, the other shoe is not looking too good either. Oh my goodness, look at that. Look, see, that came off right there. Oh, the other side, wait, hold on. The other side almost perfect. See, look, it's yeah, that just comes off. But yeah, these shoes definitely seen better days. It's the same as the other pair. So I'm just going ahead and put these back in the shoe box. This is a 2006 Jordan 4 Thunder, and this is the 2023, aka the newest release Jordan 4 Thunder. I am not at all disappointed by the new release of these shoes. I know some people are experiencing like quality issues with this shoe, probably like glue marks, like excessive glue on the shoe. Let me hold these side by side so you guys can see. Looking so first thing off the bat, this is the 2006. This is the newer release right here. Off the bat, you can tell this shoe right here is way thinner, as you can see, and then the newer release is way thicker. Please correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, but I'm pretty sure I'm not. But as you can tell, like this shoe is like super duper thin. This was like way more thicker. Also, you can really tell in the tongue right there. See, 2006, newer release. The tongue gives it away. What else? The colors. Let's compare the colors. Switch the color. Look at that. I think the colors are pretty spot on, I'm not gonna lie. Bro, why did they put the Jumpman back on there? Oh my goodness. I sound like an old head right now talking about the Nike Air is better than Jumpman. But it's true though. Like the Jumpman just doesn't hit the same for real. Hold on, let me get my, look, here are my Fire Red 4s right here. Look, see that Nike Air just looks so much better versus the Jumpman. Y'all let me know in the comments which one, Jumpman or Fire Red 4s. I said Jumpman versus, y'all let me know in the comments which one are you choosing, Nike Air or the Jumpman? Which I'm pretty sure you guys are gonna say Nike Air. For all y'all who say Jumpman, you're pretty insane. That's the one thing I wish I would have did better on the shoe was add the Nike Air. That would have been so much better. But hey, I'm not complaining at all. I think I am complaining a little bit, but you know, it's nothing too crazy. Resale price for these shoes also is like, it's not even that crazy. It's like 270, 260. It's like $20 over retail basically. But overall, this is super great shoe. Nike, you did your thing. I'm not complaining at all. Only thing I wish you would have done differently was add the Nike Air at the back. But other than that, my pair came in good. I'm sorry to all you guys who ordered your pairs and they came in defective. Sorry for your loss, man. Y'all let me, hold on. That's the question of the day. Question of the day. Y'all let me know, which one are you choosing? 06? 23? Which one? Which one in the comments? Y'all let me know in the comments. I definitely can see myself wearing these a lot. Definitely do expect outfit pictures in these. If you want me to style these shoes, go comment that in the comments also. Because I definitely will be rocking these shoes all summer long. Matter of fact, June is right around the corner. My birthday is June 4th, so I might have to take some birthday pictures in these 4s right here because I've been wanting these shoes for a super duper long time. Well, I've been wanting a pair that I could wear because I actually thought about buying a pair from 2006, but price was like 500, 400, 600. Ooh, I'm not paying that. That's kind of crazy, especially for an old shoe that's probably gonna fall apart. So I was like, But thank you, Nike gods. Thank you, Jordan gods. Thank you, Nike sneakers, for letting me take this W, this retail W. Like I was saying earlier, summertime is right around the corner, or it is here, depending on where you live. I know in LA, it's like, it already is here pretty much. It's like already 90 degrees, almost 100 degrees already, but definitely do pick this shoe up for summer. I can definitely see this shoe like being a perfect summer shoe. The sun is shining bright, the yellow, the blue skies, I was about to say nice breeze, but I don't know about that. The hot breeze, feel me, something like that. But this is a perfect shoe for summer. So go ahead, just get $200 and just get you a pair. If you don't want to wear them right now, just go put them in the closet. As you can see right there, my closet right there full of all those shoes. Definitely go pick you a pair up. It shouldn't be too hard, to be honest. If I was able to get 2 pairs of these, one for my mom and then one for me, you should definitely be able to get one. I hit on DTLR and then Nike sneakers. So DTLR, I got in a size 6.5. They should be here tomorrow, I believe. Overall, would I recommend this shoe? Yes, go pick your pair up now. Oh, also sizing. Go to the size. If you're like me and you want your shoes to have like a tad bit more space in them, just go like a half size up. Or if you have like wider feet, you could say go half a size up. And what do I rate these shoes? I'm gonna rate these, it will be a 10 out of 10. But
drop this masterpiece right here.
Good job, man. Knocked it down a point. So I'm gonna give these a 9 out of 10. Whoops, hold on. Forgot to mention the box. I'm gonna compare the boxes for y'all. But here is the 2023 box. Got the little, oh look, ASMR. Pretty simple. Got the yellow Jumpman, lights, black box. Pretty simple. Size tag right there. But other than that, that's pretty much it. Oh, also what I do like, when you open it, it's yellow. That's fire. What else? Dang. They don't throw no stickers up in there or nothing. No Jordan cards, nothing, bro. Just a box and the shoes. Wow, that's crazy. And then here is the 2006 Jordan 4 box, which my dad took a picture of the shoe actually right there. So it does not come like that. He just took a picture because he has a ton of shoes. So he took a picture so he can know like, hey, what's in this box right here. But yeah, these are size 11. Open up the box. It's just like little pieces that fell off. There may have been a card. Oh, yep, there is. Right here. 2 cards. I don't know if this came with the Jordan 4, but this was in the box. And then also, I'm pretty sure, yeah, this is the card that came with the shoe. Right there. Jordan 4 card, and then on the back, Jordan 4, and it has it highlighted right there. What are those? The white cement 4s, but yeah, these came with a card. The newer release did not. If you want me to do like a styling video for these, I will do that. Also, I will do a lace tutorial if you want me to do that for you. Oh, actually, click right here or right here, depending, I don't know. But I dropped the Jordan 4 lace tutorial, so go tune into that because I know a lot of people be spamming me. Lace tutorial, how you lace your shoes like that? All that, like, shut up. Like, I dropped so many Jordan 4 lace tutorials on TikTok. I think it has like 2.5 million views or something like that. Jordan 4 lace tutorial. I dropped the Jordan 5 lace tutorial on YouTube Shorts, and I think it's at like 50,000 views. I don't know what my lace tutorial for Jordan 4s is at on YouTube. Probably like 2,000 views, 1,000 views, something like that. But just go click right here, right there, to go watch that lace tutorial. But I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. Peace. Y'all be watching my videos, but don't comment nothing. Like, come on now, leave a comment or something.